on, guys? My name is Amir and I want to welcome you guys back to Street Production 303. Today's video is going to be different because I'm going to be reviewing my buddy's brand new 2018 Golf R. Since this is going to be my first time ever driving a Golf, I'm going to give you guys a very unbiased review of the car. On top of today's review, I'm going to be taking my buddy's car to a tint shop so he can get his windows tinted. He was really busy with work and he asked me if I could do him a favor. On top of taking it to the shop, I'm going to be able to get the experience of driving this car and giving a really good review on it. Now, the first thing that I notice when I get in this car is it just feels so comfortable. It feels so luxurious. Even though it's a sports car, it's their sports version, it just feels built like really extremely well. Now you can tell they didn't cut any corners on detail. It's just a really well built car. The car looks amazing inside. It really adds that luxury touch to it with the performance of a sports car. All right, let's start the car up and see how it goes. The first thing that you do notice is the LCD display, and it looks amazing. Everything looks so high-tech and futuristic. You definitely know you're inside of a newer car. All right, let's go. Backup camera, of course. Now this is a 2018 Volkswagen R, and from my understanding is this is a limited production car worldwide. Now from looking at the specs and going online and looking at the 2018 version, I really couldn't find much about the 2018 because the car is fairly new. So I went back and looked at the 2017 model and I found out that the US only had 1,800 models of the R in the United States imported. Now, aside from being this a really fast car and also a sports car, this car can be driven every day. It comes with DCC. Now DCC stands for Dynamic Chassis Control, and you can adjust your suspension settings and adjust the firmness and the way that the car rides. Now you're probably wondering, how much horsepower does this car produce? It's 292 horsepower and 280 pounds of torque. It'll do a 13.4 in a quarter mile, which is 1.2 seconds faster than the base Golf. How is this car so much faster? What is the difference between this one, the R, and the regular Golf? Well, first of all, this is a completely different engine. Yes, you have the 2.0 displacement, the 2-liter displacement, but has a different turbo, has different piston rings, different springs, different fuel injection system. The whole engine is literally different. This model, the R, has 70 more horsepower and 22 pounds of torque than the base model. So this is a much faster car. Since I'm not going to be pushing the car, redlining, or doing any of that type of stuff, I can't really give you guys a review of the way that the car feels and what kind of power level or the experience you can get when you drive this car more aggressively. So I'm not going to even get into that. I'm pulling up here at the tint shop. We'll get tinted with 15% window tint. Yo, what's up, Brodie?
What up?
Hey, how you doing, man? What's going on, bud?
How are you?
Good to see you, dude. Good to see you. All right, so what are we doing to this today, man?
While you're bringing it in, man, we're gonna do some window tint.
Yeah. What are we putting on?
We're gonna put 15%.
Yeah, all around. Yeah, yeah. It's gonna make it look better, man, with that white contrast. Yeah, it's gonna look sick, man.
Black and white always complement each other. A lot of tint shops, all of our films actually meter very, very closely the same. Okay, so when we say we're 15%, that film may actually only meter at 18 when it's on glass.
Mm-hmm.
We install at 30. It may meter at 33%, not really be below that threshold. So different film manufacturers are going to have different numbers for different shapes, but in reality, they're all pretty close to the same. It's going to be about 18, and if we were to put a meter on, it's going to meter about 18.
Like a cop meter, like when they pull you over.
Yep.
You know what's crazy though, because you did my other car recently, and interior was gray, and in the sun, and when I parked it, dude, it looked dark. This has dark interior, so that 15 is gonna it's gonna enhance that.
Right. So lighter interior, what happens is we get a lot of light that comes in through our windows
from the front windshield.
Exactly.
Yeah, yeah.
And what that does is it shines and reflects on the interior, kind of illuminates it.
Mm-hmm.
That makes window film appear actually a lot lighter than it really is.
Mm-hmm.
When we have a dark interior, we don't get as much reflection, so it's actually going to darken and appear darker than it really is as well.
Yeah, I'm getting some window tint training today.
Yeah.
Window tint 101.
And keep in mind, we are tinting this at 15. It does not pass our Colorado state law regulations.
Sure.
So this is going to be for an off-road purpose and just for one of your videos.
Yeah, I understand. I hear what you're saying, man.
Yeah,
I get it.
yeah.
I don't know anybody who comes in and does 30 because it doesn't even look like you have window tint on there.
Now, we actually do a ton of 30. That is our legal limit threshold, and that's actually what a lot of people do.
Really?
Darker interior, it actually will match pretty closely to a factory class. It's dyed from the factory.
Okay, I see what you're saying.
Some SUVs.
Yeah, like a slight,
Yeah.
just like from the factory.
Good smoke. And it's actually really popular with the European guy.
And this is what are we using today? What product?
We're using
Lumar. Okay. Yeah, that's pretty nice. Oh damn! Where's the gauges, bro? What? I was about to say, how do you tell speed? That's so sick. That's so sick. And this is the 720S. So badass. And what are you doing on this? Just a full like.
Full vehicle paint protection film. We're going to be installing Lumar Platinum paint protection film. Bumper's completed. All the edges are completely wrapped. Hood is completed. This fender is completed. We just got to do our final tucking of the edges.
Sure.
And roll it in. That quarter panel's done. So we're just moving around, getting ready to do a full clear raw on it. So that's still healing clear raw. Any scratches and stuff that the car may get.
Yeah.
Actually will heal itself through sunlight, and it's just exposed to a little bit of temperature changes. The coolest part about this too is the paint. So it looks yellow and orange in here.
Yeah. It kind of looks orange yellowish, yeah.
A lot of these higher end cars, there's a paint upgrade where they use aluminum in one of their layers of clear.
Like a metallic almost?
Very similar, okay? So they use aluminum flake, they spray the aluminum, and then they electronically charge the paint to stand the aluminum straight up. So
what does that do? Just creates this like metallic effect in the sun?
Similar.
Let's see if I can get this on camera.
Ready?
Oh yeah, there it is. Damn.
As soon as we put a light, so outside,
oh, I see it.
This color completely changes.
Oh yeah. What are you doing, bro? Do you know what you're doing?
I'm just pulling this pair of panels apart.
That's some funny shit. Hey, Brodie, have you ever done this before, dude?
First time.
Shit out of luck, DJ. Shit out of luck, bro.
There's a first time for everything. I think the tint goes on the outside, right?
Yeah. What is he doing with the window tint on the outside, bro?
Is that right?
And these guys did an amazing job today. I want to thank them. If you guys need a wrap or need anything done with window tint or anything like that, hit them up. I'm going to leave all the information in the description below. And you guys can give them a call and schedule your appointment with them. And I want to go out there and thank them for all their hard work. Yo, I want to thank you guys. Appreciate it, bud.
Yeah, anytime. Thanks for coming in.
Great work.
Thank you.
Thank you so much, man.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it, bud. Great seeing you, dude. See you next time, bud. It feels so much different. It feels a lot darker in here. I just feel like there's more privacy right now, but this is gonna be sick. I'm excited, and this white with the black window tint, it just makes the car even pop more. All right, guys, that is it. And I'm in front of my friend's house. Dropped the car off. He should be home any minute. Check it out. If you like today's video, please subscribe to the channel. Give me a thumbs up. Take care and be safe.